Welcome and thanks for enrolling. Before getting into the lessons, I will quickly go over the class project of this class. In the assets of this course, you're going to be able to download a prompt list which we are going to create together in the last 3 lessons. And it's made of 3 prompts which will help you in specific tasks. What I want you to do in this class project is go ahead and create a prompt of your own by using the knowledge that I'll give you in this lesson. I will break down 12 different prompting techniques which will allow you to understand how to craft a perfect prompt for GPT. What you will do is go ahead and create a prompt for a specific task of your choice. Maybe a prompt which will help you in math problems. You get to pick the topic of your prompt so that there is going to be a lot of variety in the prompts everyone is going to come up to. I'm going to review every single class project myself so that I can suggest you any corrections that may help you with the output that GPT is going to provide you. How should you submit this class project? Well, to submit it correctly, you should type in the class project section a message divided into 3 sections. The first one being a small title for your prompt. Let's take, for example, the Instagram SEO prompt that I'm going to provide you in the prompt list. You're going to see that I could title it Instagram SEO prompt, then a small description of what it does. So in this case, it will help me search engine optimize my Instagram descriptions on my profile in order to attract more people to my profile which will be interested in my content, and then prompt, and I would type the prompt. That's how you should submit this class project so that I can review it and I will then help you optimize your prompts. And without further ado, get into the first lesson where you're going to learn the basics, and I wish you a good learning.